Hey guys! Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video we will make your surprise with one of the best weight loss supplement is called Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic that has changed many people's lives. However, if you are also struggling to lose weight and have already tried many weight loss supplements but could not able to get the desired result, then this is absolutely for you. Before we get started, if you want to get the instant access to this supplement, then click the link in the description below. As you know that obesity is one of the biggest health problems that the world is dealing with right now. One of the primary reasons why the world has seen a significant rise in people suffering from obesity is our irregular lifestyle. We choose unhealthy, greasy fast food over healthy meals. Obesity causes many life-threatening diseases that adversely affect your cardiovascular health. Obesity also leads to crippling people's self-esteem and confidence. What is Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is coined as a science-based breakthrough in terms of being a healthy weight loss and digestion supplement. It uses a potent dose of plant-based herbal extracts, probiotics, polyphenols, vitamins, and minerals to target belly fat. The actual Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder says its natural ingredients contain 3 billion CFU and is formulated to promote healthy weight management and digestion while boosting energy and vitality. By taking the formula daily, you can allegedly lose weight without significant diet or exercise. In fact, the creators of the formula claim you can continue eating your favorite foods, avoid counting calories, and avoid strenuous exercises, all while losing weight. There are also Flat Belly Tonic testimonials that allude to how users are using the Okinawa drink powder recipe as a means to support healthy blood sugar and blood pressure levels too. How does Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic powder work? Okinawa is an all-natural dietary supplement that claims to reach the root cause of weight gain in one's body. And that causes the metabolism of one's body. Generally, this is a common reason for excess weight where people suffer from stagnated or slow metabolisms. Hence, with a slow metabolism, shedding off those extra kilos becomes impossible. This is why excessive weight can be humiliating and makes social get-togethers a nightmare. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is one such weight loss drink powder recipe that claims to not only reduce the weight but also tackles the root cause of weight gain. By using this program, users can make sure that their body is getting the vital essentials to maintain their metabolism fast and effective. Also, Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic eradicates the risks of possible weight gain in the future by supplying the body with ample amounts of super nutrients that will provide more nutritional value and density. Burns excess fat to reduce weight for a lean body. Prevents food cravings that lead to substantial weight loss. Keeps the body energetic throughout the day. Tackles CRP proteins that hamper fat burning. Regulates blood sugar levels and cholesterol in the body. Improves mental focus, mood, self-confidence, and self-esteem. Boosts metabolic processes of the body. Enhances cardiovascular and liver functions. Increases hormonal functions that support weight loss. It's a 100% natural formula with effective herbs. 90-day money-back guarantee. Are the Flat Belly Tonic recipes legit or scam? The ingredients inside Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic drink are the key to making this weight loss powder really work. Now that we covered the blends, let's isolate some of the individual ingredients to see if the merits of each are legitimate or they are all a farce and worthy of running away. Final verdict: many users have reviewed Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic as an effective and powerful weight loss supplement. The reason behind the tonic's success is that it is an all-natural product, and it's 100% safe to consume as it has no side effects. You can visit its official website to find all the information regarding the product's ingredients and uses. There are customer testimonials also available to be double sure regarding the tonic's legitimacy. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and get the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supplement by just clicking the link in the description below.